you doing? Huh?
Way over here.
A dentist appointment.
Oh,
For my
right.
nieces.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Way up that way. Huh?
Yeah. Well, I'm on vacation this week, so.
Oh, you're on vacation?
Yeah.
You're going to the dentist right now?
Yeah.
Oh. You went in there or not yet?
No, yeah, they're in there.
Oh, huh?
Yeah, they're in there.
Oh, you gotta go in there?
Yeah.
To the dentist, huh?
Yeah.
But you didn't walk over here, huh?
No, my sister brought me here.
Oh, yeah, but it's a long way.
Yeah, it is.
You're way over there.
Yeah. Are you to the next one or are you done?
Yeah, no, I'm not doing none of this one. Just that one right there.
Oh, just this one?
I'm not doing that.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna be done from here, so.
Okay, let's see.
Alright.